Okay, changeover quoting. What is changeover quoting? Well, it's exactly as it sounds. It is changing an old product to a new product that we install. Now, when we're quoting electrical oven to electrical oven changeovers, we assume a few things. The first thing we assume is same size fit. We assume that the space where the old unit was, the new unit will fit in perfectly. In the case that it doesn't, we can offer cabinet modifications as an additional service. Now, please be aware that our cabinet modifications are minor. The second thing we assume is your current electrical circuit to your old unit will be enough to power your new unit. Now, in most cases, the circuit from the old unit will work on the new unit, but in the cases that it doesn't, we will let you know and we'll have to run a new circuit. And you can see that in the quoting, you can see it clearly, and you can see our terms and conditions regarding that. The third thing we assume is your safety switch at the switchboard is adequate for the new unit. This is more frequent than circuitry, but far less work. We may have to upgrade the safety switch if we find it's not compliant. All of Addison Appliances installations come with free disposal of old appliances, so just remember that. You don't need to do that yourself, we'll look after that. When you receive the quote and are happy, respond to that email saying yes, you wish to go ahead, and offer us some desired install dates that you wish to go ahead with. After that, we'll be in contact and we look forward to working with you soon. Thank you.